In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to style product pages in Squarespace. If you want your online store to look more polished and better match your brand, customizing your product pages is a great place to start. Squarespace makes this fairly simple, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the process in a clear, easy way so you can update the design of your product page with confidence. To begin, log into your Squarespace website dashboard. Once you're in, click on Website and then go to Pages. This is where you can manage the different sections of your site, including your store pages and individual product listings. From there, open your store page and select a product. Choose any product you want to work on, especially one that gives you a good example of the layout and style you want to improve. Opening a product directly lets you preview how that specific product page is currently displayed to visitors. Once you're inside the product page, click Edit. This will allow you to make design changes to the page layout. After that, click on the product section itself, and then look to the top right corner and select Edit section. This is the key area where Squarespace gives you control over how your product page looks and feels. Inside the section settings, you'll be able to edit the elements on the page, adjust the format of the product page, and change the colors. For example, you may be able to control how product details are arranged, how images are shown, and how the section fits with the rest of your site's overall design. This is a good time to make sure the page is visually clean, easy to read, and consistent with your branding. Take your time here and preview your choices carefully so the final result feels balanced and professional. When you're happy with your changes, click Save. That will apply the updates to your product page, and just like that, your styling changes are in place. And that's it. That's how to style product pages in Squarespace. As a final tip, it's a good idea to check your updated page on both desktop and mobile views to make sure everything looks great on every device. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.